Okay, good morning everyone. In the last lecture, we have completed the data models unit. In this unit, let's quickly go through the unit. First, we have seen the different types of data models: relational, hierarchical, network model, ER model, object-oriented model. In all models, we have seen the ER diagram in a detail. So first, we have seen entity, then attributes, types of attributes, then mapping cardinality, then extended ER diagrams, right? And yesterday we have practiced one or two ER diagram. In that practice, hardly one or two students draw the correct. So thing is that you need a practice only. Without this screen, and school management, right? Third one is the library management. Now draw the ER diagram for library management. If you have not done the school management, and if it is incomplete, then complete it. And I have already generated the Google Classroom. In that Google Classroom, I have invited to you, accept the invitation, and I have created the ER diagram assignment. So in that assignment, all of you need to upload this three diagram today itself within this lecture only. If you are not able to do this activity, simply put absent. Clear? If you want to sit ideally, then you will be absent. This is clear cut instruction from my side. Then, do you have any query, any doubt? Okay, go ahead and try to draw the library management. Yes, Dev Jain.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Very good morning, Dev.
सर जैसे हमको दो एंटिटी को जोड़ना है तो कैसे जोड़ेंगे सर?
Relationship.
सर जैसे स्टूडेंट और स्कूल को जोड़ना है तो फिर किस रिलेशन से जोड़ेंगे?
स्कूल स्कूल का तो हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं ना, तो
तो
स्कूल में जितनी एंटिटी है वो लिखेंगे हम, डायरेक्टली
सर
स्कूल नहीं लिखेंगे, राइट?
सर स्कूल नहीं लिखेंगे एंटिटी?
नहीं,
सर वो भी तो एक एंटिटी बन जाएगी ना लेकिन।
एंटिटी बन सकती है, लेकिन स्कूल का ही ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो स्कूल के अंदर जो भी एंटिटी है वो हम लेंगे।
ओके सर।
ठीक है,
ओके सर।
ओके। एनी अदर डाउट, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट्स? Okay, go ahead and complete this one. Let me take the round in the class. Yes, Darshan. You have to upload this three ER diagram and next ER diagram what we are practicing, that thing you need to upload in a Google Classroom. So I can verify you are working on the ER diagram. You are doing the practice. Devans Joshi, sir, I checked Google Classroom. I have been not enrolled over there. Just 1 minute, Devans. I got
Yes,
uh,
sir.
I got one email from your CC. Devans is Joshi 31. So he gave the your
Yes,
email
sir.
ID today itself. So I have not enrolled you. Just wait a minute. I'm inviting you.
Okay, sir. So I give my email address in the chat or
No,
just in
no,
Telegram.
no. I have your CC mailed me. I invited you. Check it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sir, previous year diagram also we have to submit only this. All the that's it. All the diagrams you need to submit in a that assignment ER diagram. Previous and this one. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask. If you want to share your screen and if you want to ask a question live, then you can. Okay, online students. ओनली प्रैक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ईआर डायग्राम. रट्टा मारने से कुछ नहीं होगा. वो मैंने अभी एक्सपीरियंस करके ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट सबको दिखाया है. किसी का अभी भी नहीं सही हो रहा है 3 ईआर डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद भी. Clear? So you need a practice. You need to remember all types of symbols of all attributes, entities and concepts mapping cardinality. Okay, one hint for you online students, listen carefully. All types of attributes, for example multi-valued attributes. In multi-valued attributes, which attributes we can include? Phone number. So in every ER diagram, like hospital, school, library, there will be one person, either doctor, teacher, student. कुछ person तो होगा, उसका नाम भी होगा, उसका फोन नंबर भी होगा, उसकी एज भी होगी, सो एड्रेस भी होगा. सो आप सब टाइप के एट्रीब्यूट्स वहां पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. क्लियर? You can include, but you need to write the all types of attribute at somewhere, not in a single entity. सिंगल एंटिटी पे नहीं करना है, सब जगह स्कैटर्ड आपको एंटिटी सॉरी एट्रीब्यूट्स डिस्प्ले करवाना है. राइट? आपको कंफ्यूजन है कि सर इसमें मल्टी वैल्यू कौन सा लेना है, डिराइव कौन सा लेना है, तो ये जनरल गाइडलाइंस मैंने दे दी कि ये सबका कॉमन ही रहता है. सब में पर्सन आता है तो पर्सन का नाम भी होता है, एड्रेस भी होता है, तो कंपोजिट हो गया. फोन नंबर मल्टी वैल्यूड हो गया, एज डिराइव्ड हो गया. क्लियर? सो आपके माइंड में जो भी आ रहा है वो आप लिख सकते हो. If you have any query and doubt, you can ask him through the chat. I'm taking the round in a class, so after taking round, I will be able to answer you. Okay, online students, do you have any query? Let me check how many of you have uploaded. No one. Take a photo and upload in a Google Classroom. Huh? Those
Sir,
who have, yes, yes, Devans.
sir, only this three: hospital, school, and library management we have to upload.
नहीं अभी दे रहा हूँ मैं लेकिन सबकी मिस्टेक्स ज्यादा हो रही है सो
Okay, okay,
आई
sir.
एम रिजोल्विंग दैट थिंग. If you have done this one, next go for the hotel management, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear online students, keep this thing in
Okay,
your
sir.
mind. Keep this thing in your mind. Without practicing directly in an exam, you cannot draw the perfect ER diagram. Right now, I am observing all the ER diagram of offline students, and they are doing so many mistakes. So I hope on online students you are doing the same mistake. वही करते रहेंगे आप. That's why I am asking this thing in a Google Classroom, and whenever you come physically at that time, you need to show me, right? So one to one we can discuss it. Clear? This is the true story. दिस इज ट्रू स्टोरी. एग्जाम में आप डायरेक्टली इतनी प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद भी आप अच्छे से ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे, लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो ये नहीं होगा. आई एम गिविंग योर टाइम and we have a lots of lectures, so don't worry about the syllabus. That is my responsibility. तो एक भी स्टूडेंट ऐसा मत सोचो कि सर इतना अभी टाइम पास कर रहे हैं तो सर सिलेबस कैसे खत्म करेंगे और blah blah blah. Don't worry, that is my responsibility. I will complete the syllabus with practice also. Clear? Okay, fine. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask online students. Do you have any query, any doubt?
हेलो सर.
Yes, जी.
सर मतलब अभी मतलब ये होटल मैनेजमेंट का भी करने का है लाइब्रेरी के बाद?
हाँ, चारों करना है. अभी भी है मेरे पास, लेकिन वन बाय वन आई विल गिव.
तो सर वो चारों अपने को सबमिट करने का है ना उसमें गूगल क्लास?
यस, इस यूनिट में जितने भी ईआर डायग्राम मैंने आपको बनाने के लिए दिए ना वो सारे अपलोड करने हैं. अर्लियर आई हैव गिवन टू यू ईआर हॉस्पिटल, बट without the generalization, specialization or constraints, right? वीक एंटिटी के बिना दिए थे, सिंपल लिस्ट ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट से हमने किए थे. सो वो सिर्फ स्मॉल प्रैक्टिस थी, वो अभी नहीं अपलोड करना है. ये अभी जो मैंने होमवर्क ईआर डायग्राम 4 दिए और आगे भी देने वाला हूँ वो आपको अपलोड करने हैं ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम.
ओके सर.
राइट? ओके, फाइन. एनी अदर स्टूडेंट? Okay, listen everyone. Still you are not doing well, so you need a practice. So in next lecture we will continue same practice. Fine. Now common suggestion for you. As I told you, all types of attributes, you can see the screen. Tips for examination, it is clearly mentioned, define minimum 4 entities. It is not like that you need to take only 4 entities. You can take more than 4, right? So सब लोग 4 ही ले रहे हैं. Next, at least 4 attributes. 4 attributes on each entity. 4 एंटिटी पे 4 एट्रीब्यूट्स नहीं, 4 attributes on each entity. Clear? And provide all types of attributes somewhere in any of the entities. All types of attributes, still some of you are missing. Some of you are missing that all types of attributes. Derived नहीं कर रहे हो, multi-valued नहीं कर रहे हो. So वो पहले याद रखो और वो मेंशन करो कहीं पे भी. Somewhere मतलब कोई पण जगह. Okay. So weak entity set, few mapping cardinality. So mapping cardinality, as I told you, there are lots of representation for mapping cardinality. First, arrow direction, 1 to n. हाँ, dot से भी होगा. There are lots of representation of mapping cardinality. Use mapping, appropriate mapping cardinality in appropriate entity. In general, most of time, many to many mapping cardinality is applicable, but still you can represent as per your thinking. Second thing, weak entity set. Till now, I checked all the diagram, but I didn't find any weak entity set. Right? So conclusion, you need a more practice. That's it. And अभी तक किसी ने अपलोड नहीं किया है, so don't worry. I am giving you a time. Okay, 3 students has uploaded. We will see in our next lecture. Till that, you can draw it very well and upload on a Google Classroom. Right? Do you have any query, any doubt? Okay, else only write down your full enrollment number into a chat. No issue, Luis. I will give you a time. Jit, till ending of this, I will not upload. मुझे पता है कि आपने टाइप्स ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है और आप रिवाइज करना चाहते हो. सो टाइप्स ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में स्टार्टिंग में मैं रिवाइज कर दूंगा, लेकिन पीपीटी आप मुझे पता है कि देख के ही टाइम पास कर लेंगे. Everyone type your enrollment number into a chat and then you may leave.